Cameroon, often referred to as Africa in miniature due to its rich cultural and geographical diversity, is actively enhancing its defense infrastructure and refining its intellectual property laws to foster innovation and ensure national security. In 2023, Cameroon allocated approximately $456 million to its defense sector, reflecting an increase from the previous year. This investment represents about 0.9% of the country's gross domestic product. This may not seem like a lot, but it's like going from 1 to 2. That's still a 100% increase and a significant move. According to Military Africa, Cameroon is beset with two major violent conflicts, but also faces rising ethno-political tensions on and offline. The bigger conflict between the government and separatists from the English-speaking minority started in 2017 and has killed over 6,000 people. It has displaced 765,000 people, of whom over 70,000 are refugees in Nigeria. To bolster its military capabilities, Cameroon is building its domestic defense industry to limit reliance on foreign exports. However, it has undertaken significant acquisitions in the meantime. In 2023, Cameroon imported 674.5 tons of weapons, ammunition, and accessories, marking a 42% increase from the previous year. The country has also imported various armored vehicles to enhance troop mobility and protection. Recently, the Cameroonian military adopted the Turkish-made MPT-76. This is a gas-powered, modern assault rifle designed by Kalakaleep and MKEK to replace the G3 rifles in the Turkish armed forces. It is chambered in 7.62 by 51mm NATO, making it a battle rifle rather than a traditional assault rifle. It's highly durable, designed for extreme conditions, has good range and stopping power, and is cost-effective compared to Western equivalents. But it's also heavy, limited in modularity, and has a resume that's simply lacking in experience, i.e., it hasn't proven itself yet on modern battlefields like the HK-417 or SCAR-H. Cameroon soured its relationship with the U.S. due to continued human rights violations, which ended up drying up aid from the superpower in 2019. South Africa, however, in 2023, provided the country with Ratel infantry fighting vehicles. While this isn't the Bradley, the Ratel is respectable. The South African company OTT Technologies is the supplier of the 10 Cameroonian destined Ratels and is tasked with upgrading them to modern standards. This includes a new engine, armor, weapons, optics, and communication systems. Cameroon is a member of the World Intellectual Property Organization and has ratified the WTO TRIPS agreement, establishing a framework for protecting patents, trademarks, and copyrights. The African Intellectual Property Organization, headquartered in Yaoundé, plays a pivotal role in administering IP rights across its member states, including Cameroon. While the legal framework for IP protection is in place, enforcement remains a challenge due to limited resources and awareness. The government is collaborating with international partners to strengthen IP enforcement mechanisms, aiming to create a more conducive environment for innovation and foreign investment. To further enhance its defense and IP frameworks, Cameroon could provide specialized training for military personnel to effectively operate and maintain new equipment, enhance the capacity of judicial and customs authorities to combat counterfeiting and piracy, or initiate campaigns to educate businesses and the public on the importance of IP rights and their enforcement. On a map, Cameroon looks like it's getting squeezed between the two vast landscapes of Africa. Even so, the country is determined to advance itself. Cameroon's strategic investments in defense and its commitment to improving the IP landscape underscore its dedication to national security and economic development. By addressing existing challenges and leveraging international partnerships, Cameroon is poised to strengthen its position in both defense and intellectual property arenas. Stay tuned for the Central African Republic.